Okay, in this program you have to use TCP IP sockets to write a client server program to make the client send the file name and to make the server send back the contents of the requested file if present. Okay, in Ubuntu choose two terminals. Then first you have to, I've already written the program for on the client and server and I've compiled it, so there are no errors. So now I'm gonna do the output of the server first. Don't do the client first because it won't come. And plus you have to write a text file as well. Okay, now go to the second terminal and type for client. And now you have to just write the text file name that you've written and then press enter and it's done. Like I have written this in the text file and it's displayed here. So basically first write the server part. If you put client first it will just show you error. Like see, if you do client first it will show you error. That's why you do server first and then you will be able to get this basically after you write the text file.